Hello friends, this is Muhammad here, professor, engineer and consultant. Today we will be going to discuss on one of the important points, that is the career. That is the most important thing in one's life. So as a civil engineer, today I will discuss the different career aspects that are applicable to civil engineers. So if you are a civil engineer or a civil engineering student, this video is very much important to you. So today we will discuss regarding what are the different opportunities that will be available to you after completing your BE or BTech. So if you are a first or second year student, listen carefully, this is very important to you because you can start planning for your career from now itself so that you can easily grab the opportunity after completing your BTech. Here you can see there is a big chart or big hierarchy showing you the different opportunities after your BTech. So mainly there will be three options available to every one of you. The first one is to get a job. Second one is further studies, and the third one is to start your own business. So first of all, let's discuss the first one, to get a job. Now if you are choosing to get a job, you will be again having two options: to get a government job or to get into a private company. If you want to get into a government job, again there will be two options to choose, whether you want to go for an engineering job or non-engineering job. So if you choose to work for engineering job, again there will be a lot of options for you. You can either go for R&B, you can go for irrigation department, you can go for PWD, you can go for railway, etc, etc. Now first thing you need to keep in your mind is, to get such job you have to prepare for the competitive exams that you have to clear to get the job. The competitive exams you will have to appear for will be either it will be UPSC or GPSC or Railway Board or PWD exams, etc, etc. You have to prepare for it. For preparing, you must be having core technical knowledge, you must be having good general knowledge, general aptitude, as well as the knowledge of your regional language. If you choose to work for non-engineering sector in government, then you will be having different options like IAS, IPS, IRS and so on. For that, you have to go for UPSC and other exams. So here we have seen how many different opportunities are there in government sector. If you want to go for a private company, then you will be having two options to work. The first one is to work in a construction company, and the another one is to work in an engineering services company, that is consulting service company. So if you are working in a construction company, you will have to manage the site and you should be having a good knowledge of site. If you are working in a consultancy, you will be working in a designing process. You should be having good knowledge of the designing softwares. If you choose to study further, then you will be having two options. The first one will be to continue your study in engineering or to go for management studies. Now if you choose to continue your studies in engineering, then again there will be two options to you. Either you can go for MTech, that is to study in India, or to go for MS, that is you can go for abroad for the further studies. Now if you choose to continue in engineering, you have to choose sub branches of your domain branch. So as you are a civil engineer, the sub branches will be structural engineering, geotechnical engineering, water resource, transportation, urban planning, etc, etc. You have to choose a particular branch in which you are having a good interest to go for. Now if you choose for management studies, you can go for either MBA in finance, marketing, operational research, MBA in business, etc, etc. For further studies, you will have to appear for the competitive exams like GATE, CAT, etc. If you are going for engineering, you have to apply for GATE. If you are going for an MBA or management courses, you will have to apply for CAT. The last and the final option is to start your own business. Now, if you are starting your business constrained in this domain, you will be having two options, that is to start your own construction company or to start your own consultancy. Number one, if you are starting your construction company, you should be having a deep knowledge of managing the sites. You should be having a good network among the different vendors and the labor contractors. Second, if you are starting your own consultancy, you should be having a good knowledge of designing softwares, and you should be having a good network among the different architects and civil engineers in your area. So here you have seen the different options that will be available to you after engineering. So what you have to do is you have to choose your option right now, and you have to start preparing from now only, so that after completing your engineering you will be not required to waste any time to get the place where you want to be. Here we end this video. If you liked it, then please hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.